Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Jamila here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my first time using flaxseed gel and also my process of making it, and we're just going to get right into the video and I hope you enjoy. So I'm not even going to front, this took me 2 times to try and make, and I feel like I still could have done it better, but this is what I did. I took 2.5 cups of water, brought that to a boil, and I added 1/4 cup of these flax seeds, whole flax seeds. And you're going to want to make sure that you stir this often because the flax seeds, they sort of like to stick to the bottom of the pan. So just make sure you're stirring it and you're staying next to the pot so that it doesn't boil over or the flax seeds don't get stuck to the pan. And so I pretty much let this boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. And my thing is, this was not really getting really thick, like slimy. It was getting thicker than water, but it wasn't getting very slimy like other people's flaxseed gel seems to turn out to. So anyways, I just continued to let it boil until I saw it getting thick. As you can see here, it is thicker, but it's not exactly like a thick, slimy kind of consistency like I was trying to get it to be. And then when it finally got to some kind of thickness, it was just too condensed down, and I was like, once I take the gel out of this pot, it's not going to be enough product for me to work with, not as much as I was hoping for. So I ended up adding 1.5 cups of water into the pot and letting that boil again, and then I just sat that aside and let it cool off. I probably just left it alone for like 2 hours or so because I had some other stuff to do. Then when I came back to check on the flaxseed gel, it was thick enough and something that I could work with. So this is a wig cap actually, but you can use a stocking if you want to, or a cheesecloth, I'm sure. You're going to want to put your cooled flaxseed gel into the stocking or whatever you're using to separate the gel from the seeds, and then you're just going to squeeze and separate it. And I actually switched to putting it into the pot because this obviously is not wide enough to catch the flaxseed gel and it is very messy, so I ended up just putting it into the pot, which worked a lot better. And so here is my flaxseed gel. It's a little darker, I think, than it needed to be because it's probably because I kept it on the stove for so long. But either way, it worked. And yeah, I'm definitely going to try it again. So maybe next time it'll turn out a little better in color. And from what I looked up online, you can reuse your flax seeds to make another batch of flaxseed gel. So I'm just going to store these in the refrigerator for next time. Alright, so I just washed my hair and I have my aloe vera gel here. I'm going to use this Alike Naturals lemongrass leave-in conditioner for moisturizer today. And then I'm going to use this lemongrass oil by Alike Naturals. And then I have the star of the day, this flaxseed gel. And I have to say, this looks a little darker than the other flaxseed gels that I've seen. That other people have made, so I don't know, maybe I just boiled it too much, but we're gonna work with it. So I'm gonna start with this side first. Oh, my hair is so soft. I'm gonna put a little aloe, just a little bit, some moisturizer, did like 3 sprays, I guess. So I can't be bothered to do a wash and go today, so I'm going to just like do a nice slick bun. But I do plan to do like a wash and go with flaxseed gel, but today I was not trying to do that. Yeah, I just want to see how well this works. What's the hold like, the curl definition. So that's my goal for today. But I definitely plan to come like and do a whole wash and go with flaxseed gel for sure. All right. Yuck. Doesn't look too great, but it's just flaxseed gel, so it's okay. All right, so I'm just gonna get a bit on my hands. And get a little more, I guess. So it's going in really nice. It has a nice little amount of slip. It goes in really easy. And it is really giving a lot of curl definition. And shine. I mean, my hair is wet, so I don't know about that yet, but so this is what my hair is looking like, and yeah, I'm really interested to see how my bun is gonna come out. Looks good. Gonna get a nice glob. So I think I'm gonna put some oil in this section right now. Put like 4 sprays in my palm. I'm just gonna lightly twist this so I can tuck it away while I put the product in the rest of my hair. All right, so I'm just gonna finish putting all of these products in the rest of my hair, and then I'm gonna put my hair into a bun and see what happens, see how it turns out. All right, so I'm almost done. I'm gonna apply my flaxseed gel. It's the last section. So I have gel all in my hair, and I just finished putting oil in it. So I'm just gonna show you guys what this is looking like. It's giving a lot of definition. Feels good putting in my hair. So now I'm just gonna try and get this in a bun. I do have some frizz still, like this hair is still frizzy, and I used a lot of this, like half the jar is gone. All right, bun time. I'm gonna get a little more gel on my hands. So I'm just gonna stop here and try to smooth this hair. Ooh, that's brushing really nicely. Should I have a little curly piece? Why not? So I'm just gently brushing my hair to smooth it down. So a little more gel. I'm just gonna take my Denman brush just to smooth this out because I don't really care about the rest of my hair being smooth, but I do want the front of my hair to be smooth. All right, so now I'm going to wrap this up before my hair curls up. All right, so just like with any other gel, I'm gonna let this sit for a few minutes, about 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and see how laid my hair is. All right, so my hair has been setting for a couple of minutes, and hopefully, you know, this part is set and ready to go. Is what my hair is looking like. I think my hair is a little damp up here, but it's pretty much set in place. And I was gonna do a bun, but this ponytail actually looks sort of cute, so I guess I'll just rock the ponytail. And then I just popped out some pieces here, and these curls definitely have hold. Like I'm feeling them, and there's a lot of hold on these curls, and they're dry. All right, you guys, so that is it. That is my little, I don't know, try on of the flaxseed gel that I made. And as you can see, my hair is laid, my curls are popping, and yeah, my ponytail even looks good. My hair is wet, but yeah, my hair is looking really good. So I'm definitely gonna try this again and do a wash and go. And I'm definitely gonna try and make this again because I don't know, I feel like I could have made this a better way. I had some difficulty making this the first time. So yeah, that is it, you guys. I really like this. I'm super fascinated by this gel. I'm really excited about this because it's a natural product that you can use to do your hair, and you know, no crazy chemicals in it. That is it, you guys. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. I'll be sure to reply. Comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye. Excuse me.